Hello and welcome. I'm Tracy Bradley, and today we're going to make this cute little treat holder. We're going to start with a piece of designer series paper that measures 4 inches by 8 inches. And then we're going to score it on the portrait side at 1 inch. And again on the other side at 1 inch. And then turn it on the portrait side, the landscape side, and we're going to do 3 1/4. Next we want to take our bone folder and get really good creases here. I had some camera problems and I already started on this, so it's a little bit easier for me to do. This paper is really thick, but you do want to get some nice creases. Now with this fold, what we're going to do is we're going to use these 2 lines right here, and we're going to take this right here, this fold line, we're going to get it like this, and we're going to take this over to this side. And it's easier if I put it up in the air to show you. So you're going to fold it, and I'm kind of pushing on the inside here and take it up to there. See if I can get this. Make sure you can see this. Now there's a little spot right here, and we're going to go ahead and crease that. Now we'll do it over here again. We're going to take where this fold line is, squeeze it so that it's sticking out, and again take it over here. Just like that. And again, get it down here where you can get that good crease. Now we're going to go over to this one. Same thing again. Take it so that it's sticking out and bring it up to the side. It's a lot easier to do this when you're not on camera, but I'm trying to make sure that you can see it. I'm doing it up in the air. So see, I just brought it over there, and then again, make sure that I'm getting that nice, getting it so that it's got a good crease. And then this one again, the last one, take that, pinch it, and bring it up here. And after you do a couple of these, you're going to see that it's pretty darn easy. So that's where I'm creasing it. Now you're going to open it up and add a little bit of snail on the ends and fold it in. We'll do that over here. And then when you, okay, why is it? I guess I didn't actually get it on that end. It would help. Okay, I'm going to hold that down. I probably just didn't get enough there. And then when you bring it up, do you see how it just folds like that? Isn't that really cute? And so easy. And then what I like to do is just add a clip up to the top. And you could poke a hole in there and put ribbon in. So now all we have to do is decorate it. And I'm going to use the set Seasonal Chums, and I'm going to actually use this one, You're Sweet. But I think Being Your Friend is a real treat, would be cute also. And this is a carryover item. This was in our holiday catalog, and I'll put the information up on the screen because it isn't in a current catalog right now. So I'm going to use powder pink and whisper white. First we'll do the whisper white, and I'm going to stamp You're Sweet. And then I'm going to take our 2 new punches. So 1 1/8 and 1 3/8, and I'm going to punch with the 1 1/8. And then I'm going to use the powder pink for the 1 3/8. I'll take some snail and put that. Oh, I know what the problem was. I'm running out of snail. So it wasn't my imagination. And of course it's right when I'm filming. So let me grab another one real quick. All right, and we'll add a little bit more. I wondered why that wasn't working. Okay, only when you are filming. All right, so that stuck there. All right, so I'm going to put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. And put it on the front here. And then I'm going to take one of our metallic enamel shapes. They come in silver and gold. I'm going to grab gold heart and stick that on there. Now let me show you, here's another one that I made. And here's another one, the original one, and it's got the baker's twine. So let me show you how I did that. You want to, I measure about 9 inches. I just like to have plenty to work with, and I'm going to take it 3 times. And cut it. And then we're just going to tie it in a bow. Like I said, it's probably more than you need, but there's nothing worse than cutting it and you don't even have enough to make your bow. And then I'm going to take a glue dot and put that on the back, see which side I like better. I'm just going to get that into a little ball. And then attach that to the clip. And then you want to trim it. You can make it short or long. I didn't really use